Good evening, how are you? How are you doing, my dear student? It's Murad Sultan is with you again, your math teacher. Today, as you learned before, how can you work out the perimeter and the area of any 2D shapes? So, today, my learners, you can see that here we have a green rectangle, and this rows, let's say, denotes or represent the length. Then also this is the width, you can see that. This is the length and this is the width. Normal learners, in order to find out, let's say, the length or the width of this rectangle, you just count the squares, okay? Means that you will count this kind of squares, okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is I will accept as 1, and this is 1 because the rectangle doesn't, let's say, draw accurately. Okay, so here 8 centimeter, you can see the 8 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. So the perimeter, my learners, is the total distance around the shape. Means that if one student wants to work out the perimeter, he will just or she will just add 8 to 6, 14, plus 8, 14 plus 8, 22. Okay, with 14 plus 8 will be 22, yes, plus 6 gives 28. So the perimeter of the shape, my learners, is 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 equal 28 centimeter. Okay, then for example, you can see that here we have some 2D shapes, let's say rectangles. In order to get find, let's say, the perimeter of these 2D shapes, just find out the length of this width and this one also, the length of this rectangle. You can see this is 1, 2, this is also 1, 2, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14, plus 2, 16, plus 2 gives 18. So this is, my learners, is 18 centimeter. The second one, the green one, here you can count, let's say, the length, count the squares of the length, then count the squares of the width. You can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 5 plus 5, my learners, is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Plus 6 gives 22 centimeter. The second one, here you can count also the squares, okay, on the length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the width is 1, 2, and 3. So look, 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 3, 23, plus 3 gives 26. Means the perimeter is 2 times the length, because I have 2 lengths, plus 2 times the width, because I have 2 width. Okay, and the last example here, my learners, is what? Here the red one, the purple one, you can see that this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Means this one is equal to 5 centimeter, and the width is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. So the perimeter, my learners, is to add the lengths with the width, plus length plus width. So let's do it. We told this is what? This is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Sorry, 10 plus 4 is 14. Plus 4 is 18. So this rectangle and this rectangle has the same perimeter. Okay, then Here we have the question is that now find the perimeter of these shapes. They are not drawn to scale. This is a hexagon, 2D shapes. I will try to work out the perimeter of this. I will just add 3 to 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 3 is 18. Means that 3 I will multiply it by 6. Why? Because this hexagon has 6 sides. Okay. Then, so the perimeter is 18. The second one, here 3 centimeter plus 7 centimeter is 10. Plus 7 centimeter is 17. Plus 5 is 22 centimeter. So the perimeter of this one is what? Is 22 centimeter. Okay, now my learners, the area of a shape is the amount, in fact, of space inside it. For example, here you can see this compound shape. It consists of some squares. In order to work out the area of this compound shape, my learners, I will just substitute this there. Okay, minimize. Okay, so to find out how much shape is inside, we can count the squares. Here we count how many squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiply by 2 gives 12. Then, okay, look here. This is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So the area of this shape is in fact 18 centimeter square. Be careful. It's not perimeter. Perimeter, the unit is centimeter or meter or kilometer. This is depends on the units given. But here the units is centimeter, but square, the area is written in units squared. Okay, so here what is the question is that what is the area of each of these shapes? Your teacher will give you a copy of this worksheet. This worksheet, my learners, we did it before yesterday in your classroom, girls and boys. Okay, here we'll try to count. The question is about what? About the area. Just count the squares inside in each shape. Then, for example, here you can see that this is a half square. This is a half square, so it will be you will consider it as a square. Okay, so this one is 12 centimeters squared. The second one is 26 centimeters squared, sorry, and this one is 26 centimeters squared. Okay, now we'll try to make here this rectangle. It has made of 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many? 6 rows. And yeah, 6 rows. 1 row, second row, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the area here, my learners, okay, you will just multiply 8 by 6. Okay, the answer is 48. This is 8 centimeter, the length, and the width is 6. So the area of the shape is 8 multiplied by 6 gives 48. Okay, now what is the area of each of these shapes? Okay, this also we did it on the classroom. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, okay, 7, okay, this is not accurately, okay, so this one we consider as only 7 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just at this point, my learners. Okay, it will be 14. If we complete, it will be 18. And here the area of this rectangle is the width multiplied by the length. 5 multiplied by 6 gives 30. And here 11 multiplied by 2 gives 22 centimeters squared. Okay. Now the question is that we can work the area of a rectangle without the grid. Okay. So just counting the squares that appears in the width, then in the length, then multiply. The area is length multiplied by the width. So this is the length. I will multiply the length by what? By the width. Okay. So area, the formula is area length multiplied by the width. Okay. Now for example here, 9 the length, width is 4. The area is 9 multiplied by 4 give 36. Here 7 the length, 5 is width. 5 multiplied by 7 gives 35 squared centimeters squared. This is 5 as length, and width it will be 4 centimeter. Okay, so 5 by 4 is 20 centimeter, and here 12.5 multiplied by 2 gives 25 centimeter squared. Okay, now a shape that is made from other shapes is known also as composite shape. For example, this one, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. If we would like to work out the area of this shape, you will divide this compound shape into, or composite shape, into 2 rectangles. This is the first rectangle, you see. The width is 4, the length is 10. So 10 by 4 is 40. Then the area of the second one, this is 4 centimeter. The width and length is 8 centimeter. So the area of the small one is what? Is 4 multiplied by 8 gives 32 centimeter. So the area of this compound shape, my learners, is 40 plus 32 gives 72 centimeter, of course, squared. Don't forget. Then here also the same. If you would like to find the area and the perimeter of each of these shapes, your teacher also will give you this kind of worksheets. Okay, here we have 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. This one gives what? Gives you the perimeter. But the area, you will divide this into 2 equal parts. Not into 2 equal parts, into 2 rectangles. This is the width 5, the length is 9, so area is 9 by 5 gives 45 centimeters squared. The second one, the second rectangle, the width, my learners, is 4, the length is 5. So 5 multiplied by 4 gives 20. Okay, that's why here the area of the small green rectangle is 20 and the big one is 45. To work out the total of this one, just make the total of these 2 areas. Total area is 45 plus 20 gives 65 centimeters squared, and perimeter is 36 centimeters. For the second one, my learners, you will divide this into two rectangles. This is the width 5, this is the width, this is the length 5 centimeter and the width 2. So the area of this one is 5 multiplied by 2. Then here 6 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. 6 by 6 is 36. So the first one is 5 multiplied by 2 because this is 2 and this is 5. It will be 10 centimeters squared. The second one is 6 by 6 gives 36. So in order to get let's say to find out the area of this compound shape, just add what? 10 to 36 gives 46 centimeters squared. And the perimeter, my learners, we'll just add 6 to 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 11 gives 34 centimeters. Okay, now here you can divide this into 3 parts. Okay, this is rectangle number 1, 7 multiplied by 4, 28. Okay, 7 by 4, 28. This one is what? This is 3, you see, and the C is 7. So 7 minus 3 gives us 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 centimeters squared. The second one is 3 by 7 is 21 centimeters squared. So there is another way of doing this equation. So the total area first is 28 plus 16 plus 21 equals 65 centimeters squared, and the perimeter will just add 7 plus 11 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 gives 42 centimeters. Okay. Then the second method, just consider this as a whole rectangle. There is no gaps, there is no empty rectangles here. Then 7 multiplied by 11 is 77. Okay, it's 77 centimeters squared. But this one, the white rectangle, the area of the white is 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So in order to get the area of this compound shape, you will make 77 minus 12. Okay, so it will be 12 centimeters squared. So the green compound shape, the area of the green compound shape is equal to 77 minus the area of the white rectangle. It will be 65. And if we'd like to find the perimeter, we already did this before. This is a worksheet I will give to you, inshallah. This is we did it. Okay, thank you for listening. Okay, see you inshallah next time.